Unlock the world of AI art creation without breaking the bank, even if the idea of free Midjourney is a bit of a creative puzzle. Midjourney, while incredibly powerful, does operate on a paid subscription. However, that doesn't mean you can't explore its capabilities through its trial period. Our journey today is about maximizing that free access and understanding how to craft stunning AI images effectively. The first step, if you're new to Midjourney, is to join their Discord server. You'll find a dedicated space to interact with the Midjourney bot. Once you're in, look for channels specifically labeled for new users or for creating images. The magic happens in the prompt. Think of descriptive words that paint a picture in your mind. For example, instead of just dog, try a fluffy golden retriever puppy playing in a sun-drenched meadow, soft bokeh background, cinematic lighting. The bot will then generate for variations of your prompt. From these, you'll have options to upscale your favorite image for more detail or to create variations of that selected image, essentially iterating on your initial idea. Upscaling is your friend for getting a higher resolution and more refined result. You can also remix your prompts by selecting a variation and then using the remix feature to subtly tweak your original text, guiding the AI in a new direction. Remember, the trial period has limitations on the number of images you can generate, so be intentional with your prompts. Learn what works best for you, and focus on creating a few truly compelling pieces to see the power of Midjourney firsthand. And even if you exhaust your trial, many other AI art platforms offer free tiers or credits, giving you ample opportunity to experiment and discover your creative AI voice. Happy creating!